In this video, we'll look at 7 outfits, styling mistakes, and how to fix them. In the first outfit, the first thing that catches your eye is the outdated jeans and shoes. The right decision would be to choose straight-cut jeans made of thicker denim. Instead of ties at the waist, we will choose a belt. Swap your sneakers for more feminine shoes. If heels aren't your thing, you can opt for suede loafers, moccasins, or sneakerinas. The second outfit is monochromatic and looks boring and lifeless. Let's add some accents with accessories, shoes, and a bag in a different color. The look immediately becomes more stylish and appealing. The third outfit lacks a silhouette. The jeans are too skinny and the soft knit top doesn't hold its shape. We'll swap the top for a structured blazer. Let's replace the basic white sneakers with trendy loafers. You can freshen up the look with a white t-shirt, a pendant, and a patent leather bag. In the next look, there's another mistake in the silhouette. The thin fabric clings too tightly to the body, making the outfit look too simple. Let's replace the top with a relaxed fit knitted jumper. It's better to choose a bag and shoes in more modern styles, choosing a cooler beige color. In the fifth look, the blazer adds weight to the top, and the length of the jeans cuts off the height. The best solution would be full-length, more relaxed fit jeans. For the top, choose a blazer with soft shoulders or a flowing shirt. Replace chunky shoes with heels or trendy ballet flats. The next look is obviously ruined by the outdated jeans. Replace them with long, straight, wide-leg jeans or jeans with large cuffs. You can keep the striped jumper or switch it out for a pinstriped blazer. Feel free to swap out the sneakers for suede ballet flats or loafers. The last outfit seems too masculine. Add a feminine touch with a fitted sweatshirt or blouse. Shoes should be replaced with models with heels and a narrower toe. A basic bag and sunglasses will complete the look. Share comments like, "Thanks for watching."